Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G62 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this Motorola. Firstly, go into Tab menu and look for Auto Rotate shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, automatic screen rotation is now on, but you can always turn it off by clicking on the shortcut again. You can also go into Settings instead and tap on Display section. In it, scroll down and click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen. As you can see now, it's on, but you can always turn it off by clicking on the same No Blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!